Hey YouTubers, the good folks at AAA Liners reached out to me and asked me if I'd like to test some of their products. And so I looked at their catalog of what they have available, and I was really kind of impressed with these door sill guards they make for the Honda CR-V. So I requested a set, and as you can see, they came in, and they're really handsome looking, and we're going to install them together. And I've got some tips for you beyond what the instructions show. Okay, so this is what comes in your kit. You're going to get your 4 door sill guards, front and rear, an install guide, some adhesion promoter, and they even throw in some extra adhesive tape in case you screw up and need to replace the tape. I'm going to add a couple extra things to the install list. Got some glass cleaner, a microfiber towel, and some painter's tape. Now the instructions call for you to position these where you want them and then peel all of this tape off and simply stick them down. And if you've got a real steady hand and you put it down in the right place the first time, that's great. But this 3M adhesive is very aggressive, and if you touch it down in the wrong spot, you may have a very difficult time repositioning it. So I've got a different way that I like to apply these, and I want to share that with you. So let's put the first one in. Okay, I've cleaned all 4 door sills with my glass cleaner and microfiber cloth, and I've given that a moment or two to dry. And each of the guards is labeled. For instance, this is rear left. This one goes right here. And I've positioned each of the guards next to the door where it needs to be installed. Now my first tip is to use a little painter's tape to help you put it down in the right spot. Now, I've kind of played around with different positions, and keep in mind that your feet are more likely to be hitting up here than way back here. So I'm going to position this where the end of the guard is right next to that seam. And I'm going to put down a little piece of tape back here to help me get it in the right position. And so I'm going to go around and mark with tape the position of each of the guards, and then I'm going to use this adhesive promoter. Now they give you 2 of these in a package, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use one packet here on the driver's side rear, and on the driver's side front I'll use the other packet over there. And then give that a moment to dry, and the next step is to install the sill guards. So let me go ahead and do that adhesion promoter. You see there's a little packet in here, and keep in mind the adhesive strips on these are on the edges. So kind of go around where the edges are going to stick, and I'll go do the same thing on the front. So I've got some tape at all 4 doors marking where the guards need to go. I've got each guard positioned so I won't accidentally get confused and put the wrong guard in the wrong place. My next tip for you, the instructions say to peel away all of this red backing and stick it down. Well, it's going to be hard to position like that. I think it's better to just peel back a little bit of this backing and curl it around where you can reach it from the other side. And then what I can do is put this in position, and I've got plenty of time to position it, and I can move it around and get it just right. And right there is where I want it. And now, make sure I got all my tabs where I can get to them. Now that I've got it where I want it, I can stick it down one strip at a time instead of doing them all at once. I think I want to do this one next. So you just peel that out from under there, and I'll push that up against there nice and snug. Now I'm going to do this other long one. Stick that down, and now there's my last one. And now then, that is perfectly positioned, and I have to say I'm real impressed with how well these match the factory little sill guard here. I've installed some from another brand on my truck, and I think I prefer these. The AAA seem to be a little bit nicer designed to me. But both sets are going to work good and keep people from scuffing this paint up. And so let me go ahead and install the other 3. Okay, so installing these is pretty easy. Just take your time and don't get in a rush. I recommend that you start with the rear ones first, since they're smaller and a little bit more manageable, and then you'll get a feel for how they go in, and you'll be able to do the front ones a little more easily. I want to thank again AAA Liners for letting me choose from their vast catalog of accessories. I appreciate them sharing these with me, but it did not influence my review. I think they're a really good product, and I really wanted to add these accessories to my wife's CRV. And so I hope you find this helpful, and thanks for watching, and please subscribe.